1. The world's biggest pig. The Liaoning Common Horticultural Exhibition Hall is engaging the Guinness Book of Records to perceive a 900 kilogram or 1,984 pound pig which passed on February 5th as the greatest pig ever. At the point when the pig passed on, it was 2.5 meters in length, had a waistline of 2.23 meters, and a tusk of 14.4 centimeters in length. As indicated by Zhao Jiang, an agriculturist of Huafandiang City, the pig was just 5 years of age. He kept his pig in a decent assembled pen and gave it quality nourishment all its life. 2. World's biggest dog. This gargantuan specimen named Hercules, purportedly the Guinness record holder for the world's biggest dog. Hercules is an English Mastiff and has a 38-inch neck and weighs 282 pounds. The 3-year-old monster is far larger and heavier than his breed standard 200-pound limit. Hercules' owner, Mr. Flynn, says that Hercules' weight is natural and not induced by a bizarre diet. I fed him normal food and he just grew and grew and grew. 3. World's biggest cat. Jungle Island in Miami is home to a liger, a hybrid cross between a male lion and a female tiger, named Hercules, the largest non-obese liger. The liger is recognized by the Guinness Book of World Records as the largest cat on Earth, weighing in at 900 pounds. 4. World's biggest horse. Radar, a Belgian draft horse, is the world's tallest living horse. This huge horse, at 6 feet 7.5 inches from hoof to shoulder, is from Mount Pleasant, Texas. At 2,400 pounds, he has a giant appetite to match, putting away 20 gallons of water a day and 18 pounds of grain. 5. World's tallest dog. Hercules might be the biggest dog in the world, but the tallest according to the Guinness World Records is Gibson, a Harlequin Great Dane, who is 42.2 inches. The 170-pound Dane is more than 7 feet tall, taller than most NBA basketball players. 6. World's biggest catfish. At 646 pounds, this Mekong monster giant is the biggest freshwater fish on the planet. At about 9 feet long, or 2.7 meters, and as large as a wild bear, this immense catfish, gotten in northern Thailand, might be the biggest freshwater fish ever recorded. As per researchers, the Mekong mammoth catfish has brought post position with the recorded catch of this tremendous 646-pound specimen by local fishermen in 2005. Numerous fishermen overlooked the way that some bigger fish that can be gotten in the world's rivers. 7. World's biggest cow. As large as a little elephant, enormous cow Chili, and he's depicted as a tender Goliath. Chili, the Goliath bullock, remains at 6 feet 6 inches and measures well over a ton. Regardless of his great stature, Chili just nibbles on grass during the day and appreciates the intermittent swede as a treat. 8. World's biggest shark ever caught. More likely to eat than be eaten, this giant whale shark was gotten off the shore of China by bad-to-the-bone anglers who managed out how to bridle the 10-meter, 8-ton whopper. Whale sharks are the world's biggest living fish. It is evaluated that they can achieve an 18-meter length. 9. World's biggest stingray ever caught. It took an hour and a half to land, 13 men to hurl it out of the water. What's more, measured 55 stone when they at last got it to the scales. So it's little wonder that when Ian Welch first snared the record stingray, it almost pulled him into the river. The fisherman from Aldershot, Hampshire, was fishing in Thailand when he handled the beam, which is the greatest freshwater fish to be gotten with a pole, with more than 7 feet long and wide, with a tail of 10 feet. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.